Most people have heard about climate change, but there's very little direct experimentation. So we have used these tunnels that you see here to create global warming scenarios. We create a temperature gradient along this tunnel so we can look at the difference in temperature between the current 2013 at the far end and what we predict to be the case in 2080. The tunnel constructs this temperature gradient by flows of air. Steve, if you can switch on the tunnel. So warm air is blown along the tunnel and it escapes through holes at different distances as we go down the tunnel, so that it's warmer at this top end and ambient temperature at the far end. And so and then as the ambient temperature changes, so the whole gradient moves up and down with the ambient. So this end is always 4 degrees warmer than ambient. And as you go down the tunnel, then we get predictions which temperature scenarios for 2050, 2025 and 2030. And so we've been looking for the impact of those temperature differences on crops and weeds, to make some idea of what is going to happen in the future. So if we have a look at some of the crops which we've been producing, the easiest to see then is with some maize here, and we can see there's quite dramatic differences just due to temperature between plants kept at the ambient end of the tunnel and those kept at the warm end of the tunnel, approximately 4 degrees warmer over the whole period, and that is the temperature which is predicted to occur in 2080. If we look then at these brassica plants, we can see also there a tremendous difference between the rate at which the plant will grow in 2013 and how it will grow in 2080. So that's 4 degrees warmer. We also see it with chili peppers here, lots of flowers and growth, diminishing down to flowering only just starting at ambient. And we see different patterns as well, because here with radishes, quite the reverse. Actually, the plants are bigger and the roots are bigger at the lower temperature than they are at the warmer temperature. We also have rocket and coriander, which show no effect of the temperature across. And by contrast, we have lettuce, which are smaller at both the warm and cold end and prefer the intermediate temperatures. So this is the type of effect we have on crops.